In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to have two different websites in one Squarespace account. If you want to manage more than one website without creating a completely separate Squarespace login, the good news is that Squarespace lets you create multiple sites under the same account. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to start a second website and get it ready for editing. Begin by going to your Squarespace account dashboard and clicking Create Website. This is what starts the process of adding another site to the same account, rather than replacing the one you already have. Next, Squarespace will ask you to select the topic for your website. This helps narrow down the kinds of templates and layouts that best match your goals. For this example, choose art. The exact category you choose can depend on the kind of site you want to build, but the process works the same either way. After selecting the topic, click Next. Squarespace will then ask what you want to do with your website. In this example, choose options like promote a physical business and sell products. These selections help Squarespace suggest a setup that fits your needs, especially if you want your second website to support business features or online selling. Once those choices are selected, click Next again. You'll now see the option to choose a template. Click. Choose a template to move into the design selection area. From there, pick the template you want to use for your new website. Take a moment here, because this template will shape the starting layout and visual style of the site. Don't worry too much about making it perfect right away, since you'll still be able to customize it later. After selecting the template you want, click Start with this design. Squarespace will begin building the new site for you. This can take a little while, so just give it a moment to load completely. When the site is ready, click Edit Site. This opens the new website inside the Squarespace editor, where you can begin making changes. Then click Edit to start working directly on the page content and layout. At this point, you can edit the template and customize the site however you want. This is where you'll adjust text, images, sections, and overall design to make this second website different from the first one in your account. That's all it takes to create another website inside the same Squarespace account. As a helpful tip, make sure you keep each site clearly named in your dashboard so it's easy to tell them apart later when you're switching between them.